Today we talk about how can you add your promo codes on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, you just click in this sign down here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here on your profile. Then you click here on promo code, so just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, add here your code. So then you click here on apply, then automatically it's going to add with you on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it, that's all. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.